Hi students, welcome back to @Valley Math channel. In this video, I am going to explain 5.3 first problem. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by using completing the square method. See here, first equation is 2x square plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. We have to find the roots of this quadratic equation by using completing the square method. The first step is compare the given equation with general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here a is 2. X square coefficient is a, that is 2. B value 1. No number is there means 1. C is equals to minus 4. After comparison, transpose minus 4 to that side. Then 2x square plus x is equals to, by transposing minus 4 becomes plus 4. Next step is, here x square is having coefficient 2. We have to convert this as 1. So divide the overall equation by 2. If x square is having 1 as coefficient, no need to divide. If here it is 2 is there, that's why we have to divide by 2. Divide by 2. Overall equation we have to divide by 2. So 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 is equals to 4 by 2. 2 divides 4 2 times. 2 divides 2 1 time. So x square plus x by 2 is equals to 2. Okay, after that, here we got this equation. After that, add half b by a on both sides. Half b by a whole square. B is 1. A is 2. Whole square on both sides. Then what we will get here? X square, down I am writing c, x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square, which is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. We have to add both sides. After that, you have to, I am writing here, you see. Here x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square we got. And right hand side you see 2 plus 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16. Now this is like a square, b square we got. This middle term write in the form of 2ab. X square plus 2 into a, x, b is 1 by 4. This dot means multiplication. The relation between them is multiplication. 2 divides 4 2 times. After cancellation we will get x by 2. Just we are writing this in 2ab form to get the identity. What is the identity we will get? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here one whole number and one p by q form is there. So no number is there means 1 is there here. 1 and 16 LCM 16. 1 divides 16 16 times. 16 twos are 32. 16 divides 16 1 time. So 33 by 16. Right hand side we got this answer. Left side see one identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equals to 33 by 16. Now transpose square to that side. Then x plus 1 by 4 is equals to plus or minus under root 33 by 16. Now x plus 1 by 4 is equals to plus root 33 by root 16. Okay. One time plus you have to take, one time minus you have to take, because a quadratic equation have at most two roots. At most two roots. X plus 1 by 4 is equals to minus root 33 by root 16. Root 16 is a perfect square. So x plus 1 by 4 is equals to root 33 by 4. Here same x plus 1 by 4 is equals to minus root 33 by 4. Now by transposing we will get two roots, that is root 33 minus 1 by 4, same x is equal to minus root 33 minus 1 by 4. These are the two roots. By solving this we will get. If you have any doubt, comment. I will clarify your doubts in the next video.